In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Discord server. If you're the current owner of a Discord server and you want someone else to take over managing it, Discord allows you to transfer ownership in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you're handing the server over to another administrator, changing management responsibilities, or no longer plan to maintain the community yourself. Before you continue, remember that once ownership has been transferred, the new owner will have full control of the server, so make sure you're transferring it to someone you trust. To get started, open the Discord application and select the server whose ownership you want to transfer. Before making any changes, you'll need to confirm that you're actually the current owner of the server. An easy way to verify this is by opening the member list on the right side of Discord. If you're the owner, you'll see a crown icon displayed next to your username. That crown indicates that your account currently owns the server. Once you've confirmed that you're the owner, click the drop-down arrow next to the server name in the upper left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Server Settings. In the Settings menu, click Members. This section displays everyone who currently belongs to your server. Before you can transfer ownership, make sure the person you want to transfer the server to is already a member of the server. Discord only allows ownership to be transferred to an existing member, so if the person isn't listed here yet, they'll need to join the server before you can continue. After locating the correct member in the list, move to the right side of their name and click the 3 vertical dots to open the available options. From the menu, choose Transfer Ownership. Discord will display a confirmation screen explaining that ownership of the server will be permanently transferred unless the new owner chooses to transfer it back later. Read the confirmation carefully, then check the confirmation box indicating that you understand the ownership transfer. After that, click Transfer Ownership to continue. For security purposes, Discord will ask you to verify the action. A verification code will typically be sent to your account. Enter the code when prompted, then confirm the ownership transfer. Once the verification is complete, the transfer will take effect immediately. You'll notice that the crown icon next to your username disappears, indicating that you are no longer the server owner. The member you selected will now have the crown icon and full ownership of the server. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Discord server to another member in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,